For Alexey Ovchinin, who is designated as EV1 or extravehicular crew member number 1, he will be designated by wearing the Orlan suit bearing the red stripes. This will be the first spacewalk for Ivan Vagner. He is EV2. He'll be wearing the Orlan suit bearing the blue stripes. Wagner today will become the 269th human to walk in space. A variety of tasks on tap for Ovchinin and Wagner. The installation of a X-ray experiment that will be installed on the outside of the service module. The remover of connector patch panels from 2 workstations on 2 sides of the service module itself, and the installation of new patch panels with the old ones earmarked for being discarded or jettisoned in a bundle at the end of today's spacewalk. The 2 cosmonauts will also remove a series of material science and biological samples panels that have been affixed to the outside of the Poisk module, gathering data, and will relocate a control panel on the Naoka multipurpose laboratory module from one location to what is called the launch base point, to which one end effector of the 37-foot-long European robotic arm is attached. was the 272nd spacewalk in support of station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades, the third out of the station this year, and the first for Expedition 72. This was the second spacewalk of Ovchinin's career. He now has totaled 13 hours, 18 minutes of spacewalking time, and for Wagner, his first spacewalk, 7 hours, 17 minutes. The 272 spacewalks in support of station assembly, maintenance, and upgrades have now totaled 1,723 hours and 13 minutes of spacewalking time, which is the equivalent of 71 days, 19 hours, and 13 minutes.